So when you log into Padlet for the first time and you click on this link here, it will ask you to log in. You will connect it to your Google account, your school Google account, that is. Then it'll take you into Padlet there. So then from there, what you'll need to do is select the Padlet page that I have for the correct class period. So I've got my A days, my B days. Make sure you click the right one. So if you're in B day, period 4, click on that. And then on here is where we will be able to see everybody's news intros and everybody's virtual studios. This is a great way to just share your work with the class and then see what your classmates have been doing. So I will show you how to add your video here. What you would need to do is at the bottom of the Padlet screen, click on the plus sign, and then a new box will come up. Give it a title. So for the news intro, just type in news intro. And if you are signed in, your name will be up. If you are not signed in, it's going to say anonymous. Make sure you are signed in. To upload your video, just click on the up arrow and then pick your file. It should be in your downloads after you finished it, because every time you do a WeVideo project, you are to download it from your export screen. So once you find your intro, go ahead and open it up, and then it will upload on here. So again, if you are logged in, it will show your name. If you are not logged in, it will show anonymous. You do not want it to be anonymous. Make sure when you add a new Padlet, it has your name on there. So you add your intro and then also add your studio. More people's videos are going to be piling on here. It's a great way to share projects with one another, just to see what, we're all doing. To play a video, when you click on it, you can make it bigger by clicking on right here, and that's how you can play back other people's videos. So think of the Padlet kind of like the class Jamboard that we did a couple months ago. We used the Jamboard to share our pictures with each other. You cannot do videos on Jamboard, which is why we used Padlet. I think this is going to work okay as long as your video is not over, I think it's 250 megabytes. Most of your videos should be okay. If when you go to add this video and upload it, if you get that file limit error, just send me an email or a message or let me know. That way I know why your video isn't showing up on here. One more thing, you can go ahead and add comments on here. Just keep them clean, keep them school appropriate, of course. You can do likes too. So if there's a video you really like, you can go ahead and like it on there. I would encourage you to please watch a variety of these intros. Don't just watch one or two of them, but see what your classmates are posting, because that will hopefully give you some ideas as you do future projects. If you have done some edits to your intro since I graded it, for example, maybe you went in and you did a new version where you did this cool effect with the falcon and the cutout, then you can re-download that and you can add that version on here. That way, again, we're seeing our most recent and most current work. Alrighty, so that's what you guys are going to be working on today. It's basically just a share day where you get to share and view each other's things. If you owe any of these projects, get those projects done so that you can add them on here and get a grade for it. Have a good day, guys.